a video in bed because I'm not feeling so well right now. I got a cold 2 days ago, and it's been torturing me a little bit, especially last night. It was so awful. I couldn't sleep. I got up at about 2 or 3 and went to the gym. My head was hurting. I got there, I couldn't do anything, and so I ended up just getting back in the car and coming back home. It was so terrible. I came back home, I still couldn't sleep. So when I fell asleep later in the morning, I didn't wake up till very late. And even though I woke up, I never really got out of bed. The only time I got out of bed was to eat my meals. And it seems like I'm doing okay so far, gaining weight. I weighed myself. I was at about 117.6 this morning. And I'm gonna shoot for about 8 more pounds. So hopefully I can do that in the next few weeks. It's a little frustrating and irritating for me because I have to eat so much and I'm not used to it, you know. So my tummy is always distended because I'm drinking about 1 gallon of water per day and eating a whole bunch. So, but I'm trying to be patient and to truly look and see where I'm making progress, because I started at 104 pounds. So that's, I've gained quite a bit of weight. And I feel it too. I feel much better now that I weigh a little bit more. I think 104 was too little for me. I couldn't even find pants that would fit me. So I feel much better. I actually got some pants when I started going to the gym. They didn't fit me, but I got them anyway because I knew I was going to go to the gym and work on gaining weight. And I tried them 2 days ago. They fit me perfectly fine now. So that's nice. I try to be happy and notice the progress that I'm making so I can keep pushing. But it's tough. I tried to go to the gym tonight. I forgot that they close at 10 on Fridays. So I drove there and I couldn't work out. I was a little disappointed, but you know, things happen for a reason. I was also debating taking off today, 1, because I'm sick, and 2, because my back wasn't feeling so well yesterday. It feels much better today, but my upper back wasn't feeling so well yesterday. Anyway, so I'm trying to think. Yeah, so since the gym was closed, I ended up going shopping instead and getting a few things to make, to prep my meals. I ran out of everything pretty much today. So hopefully tomorrow I'll have the energy to make my food and I'll be able to keep up with my meals for the weekend and for the week that's coming. Because if I don't keep up with the meals, even for just, you know, 1 day, then I drop the weight quickly too. So I have to constantly eat. And as far as progress on getting competition ready or getting the abs to pop and stuff like that, I try to be patient with myself in that category too, or in that regard too, because initially I was looking pretty well, but since I increased my meals, you can't see my definitions as much, but I know they're there. I just, once I start cutting down, it'll show. So we'll see where I'll get by the 27th of April.